Umaloko village throbs with life under the silvery moonlight. Bonfires casting dancing shadows on joyous faces. Villagers move as one to the drum's hypnotic rhythm, their bodies illuminated by flickering flames. King Bariga surveys the vibrant scene, his regal presence a beacon of pride and gratitude. Voices rise in unison, a chorus of thanks offered to the spirits echoing through the night. The air vibrates with unrestrained joy, a testament to the villagers' deep connection to the moon's light. King Bariga sits upon his throne, a formidable figure casting a shadow over the ornate carvings of the palace. His advisors stand in awe and apprehension as torchlight dances across rich tapestries. "Look at the moon shining as if it rules the heavens," King Bariga proclaims, his voice echoing. The elder humbly speaks. "My king, the moon guides travelers, protects hunters, and lights our nights." King Bariga scoffs. "If the moon vanished, I would still see everything. I do not need its light." The drums fall silent as an unseen tremor shakes Umaloko village. The moon vanishes, plunging the kingdom into absolute darkness. "I can't see my own hands," a villager cries out as wounded hunters stumble back, lost in the sudden abyss. Panic swells as a villager calls, "My child, where is my child?" King Bariga, his voice trembling, commands, "Someone light a torch, anything." But the night swallows every flame, emphasizing the kingdom's vulnerability.